Oh, he is snoring.
Is Jake snoring?
Yes.
Yeah.
There you go. It is.
Oh, Becca's in now. His sheath looks excellent.
I'm gonna do Lance too.
Good.
Love that.
I should charge, Marta for it though.
You can. He's having a hard time with his hind end now. He's deep.
He's totally relaxed.
Oh yeah.
Except his stifles don't want to stay locked. See how he's resting the one leg?
Yeah.
And why they don't fall down? They're stifled. They're stifled right here.